I've been blocked from contesting all the way from IEBC. As you all might be aware of, I took all my papers to Chebukati, but Chebukati decided to terminate my process unduly without listening to me, while at the same time he gave every other candidate an opportunity. I presented my signatures for the minimum 24 counties as per the law. They received the signatures for the 24 counties. They signed against them, and the only thing I got thereafter was a letter generally saying they have declined my request to contest, as if it is an individual in this country who has the rights to have people contesting. It is granted by the law. After that, on 10th, after they lost jurisdiction, I went to the High Court. I was assigned at the Justice Ogundi. That is on 10th. Then it was changed, don't know why, to Justice Murima. Then within those days, ever since I went to court, it has been to and fro. IEBC has been coming to court with objections. They have been coming to court claiming that they have not received my papers, my actual court papers, my petition, my application, to an extent that a judge at one point directed that we now send to their emails as he watches over them, and we sent. So they've been taking us on a to and fro journey because they don't want us to face the court, because tribunal is a court. Going to court every day, and issues are brought, obstacles are brought, objections are brought, pretenses by IEBC that they have not received my papers. At last now, on 27th, when they were now supposed now to execute the objection, they didn't execute the objection. They casually asked the judge to remove himself from the matter, casually. Actually, they said, this is not official, but we are requesting that, Mr. Judge, you get yourself out of this matter. And I've given the election that the matter be listened to by another judge. So I was told to go to the presiding, is it presiding? To the principal magistrate, principal judge, to go and get further direction on how my matter will be handled. Now my matter was scattered. I was not told which court to go to. I was told it will be determined on who else now will handle my matter. No dates, no nothing. So my case rested there. When I went to the High Court, I was told the holder of the office, which is supposed to deal with that, is actually on leave. When I asked them, what do I do? They say they don't know. So, in short, my case was terminated yesterday unheard, because it was not heard by the tribunal, it was not heard by Justice Ogundi, it was not heard by Justice Murima, and it was not handed over to anybody else. So, because I'm a law-abiding citizen, I decided to present to the Chief Justice administratively, not as a matter. So, what I've requested the CJ to do is to just accord me a judge, Madam CJ. I will fight my battles here to be treated equally. There must be usawa when you are nominating presidential candidates, but there must also be usawa when people are supposed to eat. Kenyans must access food, and I've already gone to court. My lawyers are in court today, so everything is being done upside down, inside out, and they are saying leo ni leo. They are singing leo ni leo huko kwa barabara, because they are the beneficiary of this rigged process. In fact, leo ni leo ni kusema wameleague leo ni leo, tufanye vile tutafanya. That's what they are telling us along the road.